If you're looking for a safe and convenient way to protect all of your precious files and documents, look no further than this Fireproof water-resistant document storage box. It comes nice and compact when it's shipped, and it's very easy to assemble thereafter. Simply unfold like so. You can place the liner here in the bottom of the box. That'll give it some structural rigidity. And then you can see we also have a second layer here on the top. We'll go ahead and place this next layer here into this bottom. And there we have our storage box. Now this box is great because you can store both legal and letter size files. So legal size files will fit into the box this way, and then you can also store some of your letter size items in this way. So it's really convenient, and it doesn't even have to just be papers that you put in here. If you have antiques or family heirlooms or other items that you want to keep safe and protected, you can put them here in this large bottom compartment. You can see there is plenty of room inside for just about anything that you can think of. So what I need to do here is take my existing files and move them here into this Fireproof box. Let me show you a few other features here. You can see that along with its sturdy construction, this is made of a fiberglass piece here along all the sides. That's what forms our box. It's coated in silicone, and then we also have this nice water resistant zipper. You can see here, after I go ahead and zip, that's going to keep everything nice and tight and protected from the elements over time. So you can unzip the large storage part in the bottom, or just the smaller storage part in the top, whatever works best for you. You can also keep some of your jewelry and other valuables in here as well. This is sort of fun here on the top. I really like the fact that this has 12 different compartments. So you can see here there's plenty of room for things like maybe your social security cards, membership cards, driver's license. You can put your passports in here, little zipper pouches, plenty of room to tuck things in and file away and make sure that they stay nice and organized. You can see here, this is another area where you can store some of your different files. You can use these tabbed dividers. They're separated with the alphabetical characters on them, or you can use the blank side and turn them over and put those labels in there however you like. Really functional. You know, this is a great gift to give someone who's maybe moving into their first home, maybe moving out on their own. You can see here that the June Doom file box is equipped with these fun reflectors. That makes it easy to see in the dark. So if there's an emergency and you need to grab your box and go, you can easily locate it here with these reflectors. Sturdy carrying handles on each side, which is also a nice plus. You can see that the bottom here has these grippers, so that'll keep it from moving around in your closet. And then the ultimate protection is provided here by this lock. There's a numeric code on the bottom. Default is set as 000, but you can go ahead and use this little instructions card provided. That'll show you how to set the code to your own personal number. Keep that safe and handy so you won't forget it, but that will lock the box and ensure that everything stays nice and secure. So I'm gonna go ahead and transfer over some of the items that I have here in my possession. Simple, you know, easy to find everything. We'll go ahead and let's see. I want to put some of our birth certificate information in here. That's great. We've got some, looks like records from our church. I can stick these in here as well. It's really nice and convenient. And you can see here, it also has like those file folder hangers on the side. This is our standard letter size. So anything that I have in here that I want to grab, let me see. I know I've got some passport documents that I want to put in here. Here are our passports themselves. Maybe tuck those in here into some of these pockets so they're easy to grab. Lots of different ways that you can use this here and store everything that you want nice and tidy and neat here inside. I've also got some items that I want to preserve long term. Fancy pins, etc. Just get a feel for the fact that you can put so many different things in here and store them all in one convenient spot. This is fantastic. I love knowing that everything was going to stay safe in the event of an emergency. And then all I need to do is grab my file box before we head out the door. Everything is ready to go, all in one place.